Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Arvin, your tech guy, and I'm gonna teach you how you can redeem or get benefits using Samsung members. Alright, so first thing you need to do is to search Samsung members. Samsung members. And click that. Please open the Samsung members app. If you haven't registered yet, please register, or if you haven't logged in, please log in using your Samsung account. And once you log in, go to benefits tab, and as you can see, makita nyo lahat ng mga benefits na pwede nyong kunin, like this: Misty Cup, buy one take one for 120 pesos. Other things katulad nitong 200 pesos off on mini bags, Faith and Fearless, Koala, spend 1,000 get 100 pesos off, site-wide. And as you can see, wala pang McDonald's dito, maybe because of the COVID, but before nakakuha na ako ng free burger, free McFloat. So question, how you can redeem these benefits? So like for example, itong Miss Teacup, buy one take one for 180 pesos. Click this, okay, and then wait to load. Okay, so guys, once you na load yung page, Samsung members exclusive, nakikita nyo yan, and details about this promotion, and you need to click view details link, and you will go to other page again. Alright, so as you can see, it says here valid until 31st of December 2020, and see some information about this benefits. Click redeem, and it says here I have 76 days to use this benefits. Then you need to swipe lang in order for you to get this, and then give this to the store, and give this redemption code to them para ma-claim mo tong buy one take one promotion ng Misty Cup, especially for the Samsung members. So yun guys, that is one of the benefits if you are using a Samsung members, if your device is included under Samsung members. So maganda siya, good thing, kasi marami kang benefits na makukuha. There's other things that you can see as well here, like this recommended post. As you can see, for Samsung S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra, meron kang makuhang 100,000 mabuhal miles. Alright, so click nyo lang yun. You will able to see some details about the promotion or benefits. As you can see, you will win 100,000 mabuhay miles with Samsung Galaxy S20. So I'm not a Samsung S20 user, so hindi ako makakapag-register since this is exclusive for S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra. There's other things as well that you can see under recommend posts. You need to browse lang every month, I think, if meron silang pinopost na bago for your device, especially for your device A71 user. So yun guys, at meron akong papakita sa inyo na na-redeem ko under redemption or Samsung member redemption. So papakita ko sa inyo yung nakuha kong tripod na pwede siyang tripod Bluetooth. So maganda siya, i-check nyo lang, papakita ko sa inyo, wait lang guys. Alright, so ito yun guys, under Samsung redeem. So you can redeem this for free under Samsung members if you are Samsung users like me, Samsung A71 user. So nag-register lang ako online and just follow the instruction, and I will be posted a video as well how you can redeem this. We'll paste a link below para mag-guide kayo on how you can redeem this the free device or free tripod. Yun guys, and may Bluetooth din siya, ito po yun, and matatanggal po ito. And guys, so pag na connect nyo tong button na to for 5 seconds, I think mag-blink yung kulay green na LED dito, and then you need to turn on your Bluetooth and then connect to 8 feet. Ito po yun, 8 feet, and then yun po, after you connect, then if you trying to take a picture, so i-click nyo lang po ito if malayo kayo, so mag-take automatically na siya ng picture. So yan, I don't know how much is this, but as long as it's free, wala akong pakialam kung magkano. So thank you na lang sa Samsung, and thank you, and that's one of the benefit if you are a Samsung user. So yun guys, and I will be posted again a video para makita nyo kung paano mag-register. Yun lang guys, and thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this, hit the like button, and subscribe if you would like to continue watching my videos, and hit the notification para updated ka for the new videos na i-post ko about Samsung devices. So I posted a lot of things about tutorial for Samsung devices and tips about the Samsung. So if you're a Samsung user, you can get a lot of tips and things that you can do on your phone. Just keep watching my video. Thank you so much again.